You should see increased ant interest at the bait within a day, then a clear reduction in activity over the next week. Ants naturally inspect and recruit to new food sources, so expect more ants at the gel bait initially as foragers find it, feed, and carry it back to the nest. Watch for consistent pickup and transport behavior where ants pause at the gel, feed for several seconds, and then leave with distended abdomens or with small pellets in their mandibles. Over the following 3 to 7 days, you should see a steady decline in the number of ants visiting the treated spots, which indicates the bait is reaching nest members and spreading. Finding individual dead workers near the bait is normal and can be taken as a sign the active ingredient is working, but large piles of corpses are less typical because effective baits rely on delayed toxicity, so ants carry doses back to the colony. If ant trails and foraging runs become irregular and then vanish after about 1 to 2 weeks, the colony is likely collapsing, though persistent workers from nearby colonies may linger and require fresh monitoring. Keep baits clean, replace them when depleted, and avoid spraying insecticide near bait stations because that will repel ants and stop the bait transfer. Common mistakes include assuming no ants at bait after 1 day means failure, which can lead to needless switching of products, so be patient for up to a week before changing strategy. Another frequent issue is placing bait on dirty, greasy, or wet surfaces where ants will avoid it, so put small bait spots on dry, flat areas along known trails and near entry points instead. A third problem is using sprays or powders around bait, which masks the bait or kills foragers before they return to the colony, so remove competing treatments and allow the baiting process alone to work for at least 2 weeks. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for pest control and other home jobs, and we also help contractors find work through our platform. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real experiences, tips, and product observations that can guide bait placement and monitoring choices.